If you hear any spray painting, that's because somebody is right outside my window spray painting the outside of our house. Disregard. Hey, what's up? Hello, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and I post all things fashion, lifestyle, and all about my small business, which I am currently rebranding, so don't forget about it. It's going to be brand new, fresh, and so much better than before. So for today's video, I wanted to style a couple of thrifted items that I have gotten for myself recently, and they're all super trendy and so cute, and I know you guys are gonna love them. So yeah, I have 6 items that I styled today, and let's just get right into it because you're gonna want to see these. Okay, so to start off with everyone's green obsession recently, I wore this in one of my other videos and on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me already, go check it out. There's like fuzzies everywhere. I have been trying really hard to get like a really cute feed and make it aesthetic and everything, so I would recommend to go follow me. So we have this turtleneck, which is striped and it's gorgeous, and if you can see up close, there's like little speckles of glitter in there, and it is so cute. It's not actually a turtleneck, it's a mock neck, let me be clear. Whenever I crop it, it looks adorable. It's like really good quality. I don't know, I love it, everything about it. The brand is St. John's Bay if you ever wanted to like look it up, and this is in a size small, but since it's thrifted, it's kind of like worn down, so it's a little bit big on me, but I make it work. Okay, next, this looks like something that would be sold at Brandy Melville, and I say that as if I shop at Brandy Melville because I never have, because there's not one near me. But this looks like something that would be at a so-called Brandy Melville. So it is this brown zip-up jacket. It's like a really pretty brown too. It's like a chocolate color. So there's letters on the front, and I don't know where this is or if it's a location or anything about it, but it is really cute. It looks as if it were like Nike, you know what I'm saying? How they have like the big letters. And I think it's in like a light blue color, so it's really contrasting, and it just looks really, really nice. And when I tried it on, the inside is so soft and so comfortable. Yeah, it's just really great material. It's really cute to like throw on top of like a basic outfit, I guess. The brand is Fahrenheit Fashion Apparel, and this is supposed to be in a large, but I'm thinking it's a kid's large because it looks like it's small to me. Okay, so next I have something that is like a different take on a basic item. So instead of just wearing like a basic top, I would wear this instead. It is so cute. So basically it's this black tank top that has ribbed material, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has like underwire here. So it acts as a bra, I guess, and it like accentuates your tatas. It's so cute. Like if I ever didn't want to wear like a basic black tank top, I would wear this, and even this like spices up the whole outfit. It's actually really great material. It's in a size medium, but it like is form-fitting. So why do I think this says Marilyn Monroe? If it does, okie dokie, but I just can't read it. So this one is really, really cute, and it's gonna be a closet staple. Okay, so next I have a pair of denim, and once I saw this wash, I knew that I needed them. They are Levi's. They are a light blue, like 90s wash, and they are amazing quality. So these are like the perfect pair of baggy jeans. So here they are. So I'm pretty sure that these were men's, so they aren't too high-waisted. They're like a mid-rise on me, but I didn't mind. So here they are. They were like a great length for me because I'm pretty short. And also with Levi's, especially when thrifting them, I would always kind of be careful because this says that it is I think it says a size 10 or a size 11, and I'm usually a size like 4. So these fit me pretty good, just a little bit big, but these fit me pretty good, and like the size is way off. So I would just recommend, like what I did in the store was like the neck thing, and yeah, it worked pretty well. But again, when thrifting Levi's, I would just be cautious of what the size like says versus what it actually is. So yeah, these are so cute. They are amazing quality, and I literally love them. So okay, next, I wore in my last video. It makes me feel like I'm so trendy that I got this for myself. I literally just throw it on top of like any outfit every single day. But it is this black Gap zip up. So it is seen that Gap is taking over Nike. It is going to be the new Nike, so I am proud to say that I thrifted this for myself. It is so cute. The quality is amazing. I'm not sure what's going on with the the little like strings. I don't know if they're stuck inside or something, or if they're gone forever, but I don't mind. I don't have to like pull it. Okay, so yeah, this is another gem that I was so proud to find. So the last item is part of a set that I actually showed in another video, which was upcycled by a small business friend of mine, but today I'm just going to be showing you the jacket. So here's what the jacket looks like. I was so proud to thrift a Nike set for one, and this is in brown and white. It was like summoned to me, like it was for me. But anyways, so here it is. It is gorgeous. It's like that windbreaker material, so it's pretty light, and since I live in Florida, I will be able to wear it very often. But yeah, it is so cute. I love that it has like this I love that it has this. So here is the last item. It is so cute. It has a zipper all the way down. I love that there's like a contrast here, and just all the added details are so cute. It is obviously Nike in a size medium, 10, 11. Again, I don't think that this is a size medium. It fits me perfectly, and I'm a size small, so I'm thinking like a kid's medium maybe. I am so proud of all the things that I thrifted, and here they are all together. They're so amazing, and they're so cute, and I am so proud of myself for thrifting all of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think that they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, I really hope that you guys are inspired to go thrifting. I hope you realize that you can get amazing items at the thrift store like Nike, Gap, Levi, like St. John's Bay. I see that all the time. There's just amazing items at thrift stores that you don't even notice sometimes, or like you don't give them a chance. So yeah, I hope you're inspired to just go thrifting, or if not thrifting, check out my online website and I will go thrifting for you. So yeah, okay,